Welcome in the holidays with Morrocco Method. Do you want beautiful, healthy hair for Christmas? We have an amazing gift idea for anyone that's trying to grow their hair. Our Elixir series. Grab one elixir or one of our elixir packs during our holiday sales. Morrocco Method's hair restoring elixirs help you regrow hair and repair scalp damage caused by stress, environmental, or chemical toxins. The balanced blends of rare and exotic 100% natural oils are ideal for those suffering from non-genetic hair loss, scalp disorders, or problems such as candida, psoriasis, dandruff, itchiness, dryness, or excessive oiliness. All our hair restoring elixirs are made from wild crafted ingredients and are cold pressed, raw, and paleo friendly. Massage a few drops into your scalp to unleash the mystic beauty inside these elixirs. Morrocco Method wishes you and your family a happy holidays.